All right, sopranos, I want to take a look at Bridge Over Troubled Water, specifically at the chorus, because it happens quite a few times and there's some small differences that I want to make sure we're aware of so that we can be completely accurate. I'm specifically talking about the chorus on page 1, the chorus on page 7, and the chorus that runs between page 10 and 11. So you know the chorus on page 1, we have our regular I'll be your bridge or troubled water when you're down, when you're down, when you're down. We have that little solo moment. It says actually right above it solo or altos. We're just all learning it for now for the purposes of the situation, just so that everybody knows it. So we have when you're down, when you're down. That happens in that first chorus, okay? When we get to that second chorus around, you do not do that. The baritones do it, or a soloist, but for now, the baritones. So that second time around, you just have, when you're down, I will care, and then you just keep going. So that part is left out of that because the baritones have that covered. Now, getting back into the chorus on page 10 that runs into page 11, you say it again, but it's different notes. So it's actually, so this says solo or sopranos. Again, we're all just gonna learn it just in case. So we have when you're down, instead of when you're down, it goes up. So I'm just gonna give you that one more time. I'm on page 10, the bottom of page 10. We just have I'll be your bridge or troubled water when you're down, I will care, and then we keep going as well. So that is the difference in that little ad-lib amongst the three choruses. Okay, there's one more tiny difference that I want to bring to your attention, and that is one tiny little eighth note that changes in that chorus on page 7. So in the first and the last chorus, we have when you're down, I will carry you like a bridge or troubled water. I will lay me down, I will lay. Now go to page 7, and we do the same chorus, but the second time we sing I will lay, which is measure 66, if you're following measure numbers, it's that third system last measure on page 7. It's going to sound like this instead. I will lay. Listen to the difference. This is from the first chorus. I will lay. This is from the chorus on page 7. I will lay. It's one whole step difference. The first time we're singing a D, the second time we're singing a C. So we want to make sure that we don't have a weird dissonance there. It's supposed to be a unison C there. And then when you get to the chorus on page 10, it's exactly the same as the first one. We have the same I will lay, okay? It's just that one on page 7, the last I will lay me down on page 7. I will lay, okay? All right. Okay, soprano 2s, we are at the very end here on page 11. So this is the end of that last chorus, and it switches up a bit toward the end because it's our finale moment. So we split off here between soprano 1 and soprano 2. You're gonna sing with soprano 1s most of it. There's just one note at the end that's gonna change for you so that you're not singing this B flat up here, okay? So I'm going from the top of page 11, the last measure at the top, I will lay. We have, I will lay me down, lay me down. And you just keep singing that note until forever passes by, or until Mr. Doheny or I cut you off. There's a fermata there, which means you hold it out until you're told to stop. You want to take a nice deep breath for that. It's a long note, it's a big note, so make sure you are singing with great posture when you're practicing this, and that you're screwing off the top of your head, opening up and letting that sound fly up and over past you. so that you're not getting anything stuck in your throat or anything, okay? And that's the finale of the song.